I'm going to show you how to open a NetBeans project that was done in Java. We're talking about Mac, so we will just simply write NetBeans in the search bar and open NetBeans. So once we open NetBeans, let me close the project for a second. So we'll go to the file and open project. And when we go into the open project, we have to locate the project in our computer. So for me, it is located over here, and then I will just simply go where the project lies. So the Java project over here it lies. So I will just select it and open the project. Once the project is open, you may see something like this, project one phase. So I will go to the source packages and open the package. Over here I have project phase 1. I will simply open the file and then I can just run this file to check my results. So once I check my results, you can see it is able to run. You have to make sure that both the files are in the same folder over here. Thank you.